Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you with me while I decorate my home for fall. It is one of my favorite seasons, so I have so much decor and I have so much to share with you today. So if you would like to see how I decorate for fall, just keep watching. I wanted to mention also that I just made a video where I made this wreath. I actually made one for me and one for my mom. And that is what I'm going to use this year on my front door. So I got these pillow fillers at Walmart and they were like 10 bucks for two, so that wasn't bad. And then I got these buffalo plaid pillow covers on Amazon. Plain white off of Amazon, and I went ahead and put the vinyl on it to say what I wanted it to say, because none of them were exactly what I wanted, so I figured I might as well make it myself. And so that's what I did, and actually that matches my shirt. I liked it so much that I made a shirt too, but I'm gonna put these on now. This is how it ended up looking.